Do you want to know how you can link your Roblox and your Discord account? If yes, then I'm going to teach you how you can do so. Hello and welcome to How to Guide. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Discord on your PC. If you don't have Discord, you can download it from the web. Log into your account and you can see this type of interface. What you need to do now is go ahead and click on this user settings over here. Then scroll a bit down and find connections. So under the user settings, you can see connections, tap on it. Click on view more and then click on Roblox, which is over here. Then it will directly lead you to another page. You can see that this is the login portal from which you can log into your Roblox account. So you can see that it has already detected your Roblox account. If you want to change it, click on change account and you can log into your other account on Roblox, or else you can just click continue. After you do so, you can see that this is the requesting access site over here. You can read all the way down. You can see about the accounts, resources, your personal info over here. So you can see you can click select over here. So you can read all the way down and click continue. So click on confirm and give access. It will redirect it to the Discord. Wait for a while and then the Discord will be connected. So you can close this tab right now and open your Discord. So you can now see that your Roblox account has been connected. If you don't want to display it on your profile, you can turn it off and it will not be displayed, or else you can just enable it. So guys, this is how you can connect your Discord and your Roblox account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.